What are you going to eat? I'm going to eat the fruit. What kind of fruit do you like?
I like apples and grapes.
What kind of apple do you like to eat?
I love green apples.
I don't like green apples.
Really? Why not?
Green apples are too sour for me.
So you like red apples?
Yes, love it.
Here you are.
Hey Altinai.
I'm going to the store. Do you need something?
Yes, I need some juice.
Okay, what kind of juice?
Pineapple juice.
Do you need something else?
I need some cookies.
Okay, maybe something else?
Yes, actually, I need a brand new car.
What?
I'm kidding. Just get me some cookies and pineapple juice, please.
Okay, see you.
See ya.
I really need to start eating healthier.
I have to start eating better too.
What do you eat at home?
Well, I try my best to eat only fruits, vegetables, and chicken.
Whoa, is that really it?
That's basically it.
But how do you stick to it?
Well, you know, fruits and veggies are really good for you.
Yeah, I know, but how about the chicken?
I mainly eat baked chicken and because that is not a lot of fat.
Sounds good and healthy.
I know it does because it is.
I think I'll not eat it.
Good job. Now you can start eating healthier.
Yeah, I know, but anyway, sometimes you want to eat chips, right?
Yeah, but it's just sometimes, right?
Zoha, did you have a lunch?
Yes, did you?
No, I have a stomachache. Can you give me some suggestion on how to stay healthy?
Well, first of all, you should eat the right food.
What's the best food to eat?
You can eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and a whole lot of grains and proteins.
What should I avoid?
You should avoid greasy and fatty foods and too much sugar and caffeine.
What else is important to stay healthy?
You should exercise every day.
Thank you for your advices.
You're welcome.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Let's have some ice cream.
Oh, great idea!
Do you like strawberry ice cream?
I've never tried it.
Really?
Yeah, I like vanilla ice cream.
Okay. I take.
I want to get some fruits and vegetables.
What do you want to get?
I want some apples.
No, or let's get the red ones.
Let's get some potatoes. And maybe some onions too.
How about some garlics and peppers?
Okay.
I want to get some fruits.
Like what?
I want to get lemons, orange, and strawberries.
Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
And what about this?
Looks fresh.
Yeah, it's really fresh.
Maybe we should get some grapes.
Okay.
I think that's big. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, okay. Those bananas look good.
Yes, they do. I can put them on my cereal.
Oh, good idea. Banana is my favorite food.
I like apples.
Really? And what is your favorite vegetable?
I like potatoes.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Fruit.
Fruit.
Grape.
Grape.
Apple.
Apple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Orange.
Orange.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Corn.
Corn.
Potato.
Potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Food.
Food.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Juice.
Juice.
Cookies. cookies, ice cream, delicious, healthy,